Light plugs are a compact and efficient LED light engine that are customizable and really easy for lighting fixture manufacturers as well as lighting designers to integrate into fixtures. Many high-output LEDs are provided with an LED dome to not only protect the LED, but also to provide a 120-degree beam spread. In real-life applications, it's best to use an additional optic to not only minimize light loss, but also collimate the light so that you can spread or bend or shape the light in the position that you want it to be for the application that you're using it for. Standard interchangeable optics consist of directional optics that are flush with the face of the bezel and create a directional beam when illuminated. We offer a 10-degree spot lens, a 30-degree narrow flood, a 40-degree flood which actually comes standard in all light plugs, as well as a 60-degree wide flood and an 80-degree extra wide flood. All of these optics are custom made and suited to fit the light plugs. The front end of the light plugs consists of the gasket, the lens, as well as the bezel. The three of these together form a watertight seal when the bezel is screwed on over the lens. In order to change the lens, first you remove the bezel. Behind the bezel, you will find an optic resting on top of a specialized gasket. To change the lens, carefully pull the optic out and keep the gasket intact. Insert the lens of choice straight down, careful not to rupture the LED dome, and ensure the lip of the optic is resting evenly on the gasket. Screw the bezel back on over the lens firmly, but do not force it once it stops moving. The decorative optics have a frosted finish such that when it's illuminated from one point, it all glows evenly. That way you have a nice bulb-like glow coming from the unit. These shapes are molded to achieve different lighting effects and different looks. That way when you pair them with various heat sinks and different models, you're going to get a different look every time. A pendant with a translucent glass shade would require that the light glow omnidirectionally. We offer various lengths and shapes of optics so that you can select the version that best suits your fixture. With the pendant plugs, a rod-like lens such as the 2-inch or 4-inch LENP could be paired with the frosted polycarbonate bezel LC-M, which will help illuminate the glass as close to the cap as possible. American Illumination uses high-quality molding such that our directional and decorative optics are custom fitted not only for the light plug's housing, but also to minimize light loss at the LED. By using specialized optics, you then have the power to create your light effect. For OEM fixture manufacturers, we offer custom design services to create a completely unique optic or diffuser to suit your fixture.